Let me show you how to create this text effect on Photoshop. First, drag our background to Photoshop. Then type your text. And rescale it by press Ctrl-T. Then drag your image to Photoshop and adjust it accordingly. Then right-click on your image and click on Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl-G to make a copy. Then hold Alt and click here to create an inverted mask. Click on the mask. Then choose the brush tool. Make its foreground color is white. Choose Hard Round Brush. And set the opacity and flow to a high. Now follow this process. Now choose the text layer, go to Adjustment option, and choose Gradient and follow this process. Then check this reverse box and click on OK. Now choose this layer and go to Layer Style, then choose Drop Shadow and follow this settings. Once you're done, click OK. Yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.